my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn something more about logical reasoning. Question number one. Statement 1 says, according to classical Indian logicians, the inference from the effect of the cause is called purvavat. Statement 2 says, according to Nyayakars, the inference of cause from the effect is not possible. Here we can see clearly statement 2 is false, hence our option 3 is correct. For question number 2, statement 1 says, for the Indian thinkers, inference or anumana means only a syllogistic inference based on the relation of invariable concomitance between middle term and major term. Statement 2 says there should be absence of the middle term wherever there is an absence of the major term. As here both the statements are correct, option 1 is a correct option. In question number 3, we see that XYZ Home Finance offers best financial product in the country because, like a family member and a good friend, XYZ Home Finance fulfills your need to have your own sweet home. Which of the following fallacy is committed in this argument? Here we see ad populum fallacy is committed. In question number 4, we see that statement 1 says some S is P is contrary to some S is not P. And statement 2 says some S is not P is contradictory to all S is P. As statement 1 is false, we get to the answer for second statement is true. What is the relation between some S is P and some S is not P? This is a sub-contrary relation, not contrary. In question number 5, we see if some statements, if the statement no birds and mammals, this is E statement, E type, is given as true, what could be immediately inferred from it? It is given that AE, this is as true. Then we see all birds and mammals is false. At least one of them is false, hence this statement is correct. Some birds are mammals. Some birds are mammals. This is to be false. Hence this statement is also correct. Some birds are not mammals is false. At least one of them is true. Hence this will be true statement. Hence she is not correct. Some birds are not mammals is true. Yes, this is correct. Hence answer is 2. Here we see that question number 6. Question number 6 says A, B, C, D all have attributes of P and Q. Therefore, D probably has the attribute of R. Which of the following is true regarding the above argument? A, it is a deductive argument, it is an inductive argument, it is an analogical argument, it is a valid argument, it is an invalid argument. From this we can see that it is a deductive. B and C, it is an inductive argument, an analogical argument. As PQ, here we see R, hence option 1 is correct. In question number 7, we see that classical square operation, if all S is P, is given as false, which the following would be immediately inferred from it. A type statement is false. A type statement is false. Then this is false. No S is P is true. At least one we cannot say, this cannot be taken. Some S is not P is false. Some S is not P is this is A is given false, hence O must be true. As this statement is also not going to be taken. A, where there is A we have to cancel, where there is B we have to cancel, hence our option left this, hence that is our correct answer. Question number 8, the argument Anamika must be elsewhere since she is not known to be alive. She is known to be alive and not to be seen at her house is based on the visual. Here we can see the postulation is the correct answer. Here are the pramanas: Prataksha, Anumana, Sabda, Anupamana. Next we see Arthapati. Arthapati and Anupalapti. Question number 9, we see that which of the following regarding the relationship between the middle term and abstract and indefinite philosophy it has to be necessary relation, neither necessary or contingent relation, causal relation, species genus relation, member class relation. As these two are contradictory statements, these two both cannot be taken. And causal relations true, species genus relations true. Hence answer is this, option 3. Now last question. Which of the following is type of fallacy of relevance? This is equal to force. Unequal to force is a fallacy or faulty argument that is based on the threat of harm and is not relevant to the argument itself. The threat doesn't disprove or prove the truth of the statement. Thank you.